What is your business purpose? G'day folks, it's Den here, and today I want to ask you, why does your business exist? What is your purpose? What would you like your legacy to be in 100 years from now? Do you just want to be someone who provides video services or creative services for money? Or would you like to leave an impact on the world, leave the industry you're in a better shape than it was when you started? The more you can focus on being clear about your business purpose, the more refined effort you will put into achieving that and helping more people. So my business purpose is helping creatives get more successful at business. So anything that comes across my desk has to be aligned to that purpose. Otherwise, I just say no. And the power of saying no enables you to stay really focused and help more people in your given niche. So get really clear on why you exist as a purpose, as a business.